You connect your flash drive to your computer and are 200% certain it has your files on it. But then nothing shows up? Your drive showing no media, and you're stuck staring at 0 bytes. Don't panic. Today, I've got 6 useful fixes for the no media error in Windows Disk Management. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome to 4DDig. When your USB shows no media in disk management, it means the system detects the drive but can't access the files. This usually happens when the internal memory is damaged or disconnected. So, what can you do? First, try reconnecting the USB drive. Switch to a different USB port and plug it into your PC. If it works, disk management should recognize the drive as a normal removable disk. You can also test it on another computer to see if it works there. Method 2. If that doesn't help, try repairing the drive with the built-in error checking tool. Simply right-click on the USB drive, go to Properties, head to the Tools tab, and hit Check. This will automatically scan and fix any issues with the drive. Method 3. Enable USB using Device Manager. If your USB drive is disabled by Windows, there will be no media issue as well. To enable the USB drive, right-click on the Windows button and select Device Manager. Next, expand Universal Serial Bus Controller and locate USB Mass Storage Device. This will be marked with a downward arrow if the option has been disabled. And you can right-click this option and select Enable Device to solve the no media issue. Method 4. Update or reinstall the USB driver. Right-click the Start icon and choose Device Manager. Click Disk Drives and find the driver name of the error USB. Right-click it and choose Uninstall Device. Then unplug the USB drive and then replug the USB drive into the computer, and it will reinstall the latest driver automatically. Method 5. Assign a new drive letter. If there's a conflict with the drive letter, you can change it to a new one. Right-click on the Start button and select Disk Management. Right-click on your USB and choose Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click Change. Pick a new letter. And hit OK. Another great option is running CHKDSK, a built-in tool that can fix file system errors. Press Windows key plus RU, type CMD, and hit Enter. In the command prompt, type CHKDSKGA, followed by :/F/R/X, and press Enter at this point. Just replace G with your USB drive's letter. Hit Enter, and let's see HKDSK do its magic. Method 7. Use 4DDig Partition Manager to fix the error. If the partition on the USB drive is missing or broken, try 4DDig Partition Manager. This tool is an all-in-one disk partition manager that can fix partition issues on your USB drive. What's more, it effectively clones your entire hard drive to back up your data or upgrade to a larger hard drive without data loss. First, launch the tool. Navigate to the toolkit. Find your USB drive in the list and select it. Simply click on Repair Now. 4DDig Partition Manager will help you fix the USB error. Now, check your disk management again. If the previous methods didn't work, your USB drive may be corrupted or physically damaged. But don't worry if you need to recover your important files. We've got you covered with Tenorshare 4DDig. 4DDig is a professional data recovery tool that works on Windows, Mac, USB drives, SD cards, external hard drives, digital cameras, and more. It can help recover data in situations like disk damage, corruption, accidental deletion, system crashes, and partition loss. Check the free download link below to install it. Launch 4DDig and select the USB device on the interface. Click the Scan and choose the file types you want to recover. Hit Scan selected file types and wait. During the process, you can preview the files you want to recover, or wait for the process to be done and search your file names to find it. Click Recover to restore your files. Hopefully, these methods can help you fix USB drive no media error. If you have any questions, just leave your comments below. See you next time.